Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
पावसाळ्यांत लोकांचे सुरक्षे खातीर प्रशासनान जायत्यो येवजण्यो चालीक लायल्यात. हुंवार स्थितीचेर नियंत्रण दवरून गटारांची नितळसाण दवरून रस्त्याक वचींची धोकोदायक झाडां बोटकोवपाचें, खणींनी न्हांवपाचेर बंदी घालची, पर्यटकांक म्हायती दिवपा खातीर तक्ते लावचे म्हूण आदेश दिल्यात.
डिझास्टरच्यो आमच्यो 2 मिटिंग्यो जाल्यो डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवलार, wherein we have given direction to the local bodies to identify the mining pits, stone quarries, आनीक ज्यो अश्यो बुडून मरपाचे बी इन्सिडंट्स आहा त्या जाग्यांनी सायनेजीस डिस्प्ले करा, सो दॅट टुरिस्ट जनरल पब्लीक वील मेक अवेअर दॅट टू टेक प्रिकॉशन्स टू अवॉइड एनी अनटुवर्ड इन्सिडंट्स. ड्रेन्स, गटर्स क्लीन करपाक लोकल बॉडीजान इन्स्ट्रक्शन दिल्लें आसा, and most of the urban local bodies has informed us that most of the desilting of drainage gutters has been completed, and also we have given the direction to the PWD and WID to desilt all nallas and gutters. We have also given the direction to the concerned deputy collectors to identify the dangerous trees and trim accordingly before the onset of monsoons. We have released the Monsoon Preparedness funds to the municipalities, Class A and Class B. 1,20,000 to Class A municipalities and Class B 70,000. For Class C municipalities 45,000. To all the panchayats also we have given the 45,000 per panchayat. We have given directions to the all the departments to be present on Saturdays, Sundays if any disaster is happened. Our control room has been set up from 15th of May onwards. We have the taluka level control room, we have the district level control room, which are functional from 15th of May.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सगुण गावडे.